What began as a vow by the Sanz Rebbe to build a hospital in Israel took root in 1958, when, against all political and practical odds, the building of the Sanz Medical Center in Netanya began. With incredible hard work, persistence, and dedication over the next 18 years, the Rebbe's dream became a reality. On June 21, 1976, the Sanz Medical Center, Laniado Hospital, finally opened its doors for the 80,000 residents of Netanya. Today, 30 years since the opening of Laniado, Rabbi Halberstam's dream and life's mission to help save lives has blossomed into a modern 22-acre state-of-the-art medical center that serves over 300,000 residents in and around Netanya. The Jewish principle that life comes first is at the forefront of all activities. In keeping with these founding principles, Laniado has never gone on strike and continues to treat all patients irrespective of race, nationality, or ability to pay.
This is a hospital with a soul, and it has all the additional services, psychologists, sociologists, family services, everything needed for the most effective medical treatments.
This voluntary not-for-profit hospital, with over 400 beds, operates a full-scale medical campus as well as a nursing school and a geriatric care center. First-class patient care and specialties include hematology, oncology, internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, cardiology, cardiac intensive care, dialysis, a trauma center, and a fertility institute, as well as the usual departments found in every first-class hospital, making Laniado one of the finest medical centers in all of Israel. In order to recruit and maintain properly trained staff with the proper work ethic and compassion that Laniado is known for, it became necessary to be involved in the training of the personnel. With that in mind, Laniado has built one of the finest nursing schools in the world that combines technical expertise with patient care. The Myrna and Kenneth Neiman Children's Hospital Pavilion, built in memory of the children of the Holocaust, is bringing healing and comfort to children and their families throughout Israel. Built to the highest standards, the new center contains specialized medical departments, including a hemo-oncology unit for the treatment of children with cancer, a surgical unit, a pulmonary unit, an intensive care unit, and the pediatric endocrinology unit. Along with the recreational area, the computer room, and library, everything is designed in a child-friendly manner, with patient comfort and healing in mind.
First of all, I thank the donors. The new department is beautiful. It's new and the equipment new. It's very comfortable for the parents and for the child.
Laniado's maternity ward enjoys a countrywide reputation for providing the best medical attention in a supportive atmosphere. The numbers tell the story. Only half of the births are from mothers in the immediate area.
I came from Ramat Gan to Laniado. It was wonderful. The nurses was incredible.
The hospital's neonatal department maintains the highest level of expertise and is very proud of its 500 new deliveries every month. The staff's skill with premature infants has given the neonatal ICU department particular recognition.
My baby was born sick and small. They made all the correct decisions. No other hospital treats you like they do here. They are people before they are doctors. There's no distance between them and the patients. I'm alive and well in the merit of God and the doctors here at Laniado.
Private funds are critical to the department's success in saving the lives of our next generation.
Each baby unit that we have there costs about $250,000. One intensive care bed. It's important to have the good equipment and the updated equipment to give the best treatment we can.
The The recent addition of 2 floors to the geriatric center brings quality of life to the growing senior population of Israel.
If we take care of the old people, we have hope for the young people. Because if you remember your past, you have a future.
They have excellent treatment here with warmth and love. I always ask my mother, is anything bothering you? Do you need anything? And she says no. Thank God. I'm very happy here.
Laniado Hospital is proud to unveil its most recent accomplishment, our newly renovated cardiology unit. Thanks to the partnership with our family of supporters, the overcrowding of the old unit has been eliminated.
Now, the new department also is a big step up in our clinical ability. Before we had the cath lab, we had to send our patient to other places in the country, which was very dangerous. It changed dramatically the outcome. It's not only saving life, it's saving quality of life.
The newly renovated institute includes an intensive coronary care unit, an intermediate step-down unit, the catheterization laboratory, and the echocardiogram unit. The institute is one of the most up-to-date of its kind and boasts one of the highest success rates in Israel.
The rate of mortality in hospital in all Israel was 4.9. The mortality in Laniado was less than 1%. And the reason is not just us, it's all around. It's donations, it's people working around, it's equipment, and all together can achieve the goal to save lives for everybody.
Terrorism, a constant reality for the citizens of Israel. Laniado is there to save lives. All victims of terror in the Neanya region are immediately brought to Laniado Hospital. Its extraordinary emergency and trauma units are among the best in the country. As the only hospital in Neanya, its emergency room trauma unit is on call 24 hours a day. The Sanz Medical Center is in a state of accelerated growth to meet the growing needs of one of Israel's most densely populated regions. As Laniado is not funded by the Israeli government, our private donors are truly our partners in saving lives. The Klausenberger Rebbe's dream of bringing life and saving life has become a reality because of his dedication and yours. Without the support of partners like you, where would we be? Thank God, Laniado has been there for any and all who call, in tragedy and joy. Laniado is here because you are there. We thank you for being there in the past, the present, and the future.